Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. I've been away from Hong Kong for 3 weeks and this is my video of my observations as I took a short drive on Sunday evening. You won't believe the number of road incidents I recorded on my dashcam. But first, here are my observations of the growing number of new EVs and also the growing number of electric buses in Hong Kong.
Oh, electric. Side, isn't it? Look how heavy it is on the right side.
Hong Kong, like many other places around the world, is pushing to electrify its public and private transport sectors. I enjoy seeing so many electric vehicles appearing on the roads in Hong Kong. Incident 1. Dangerous motorcyclist filtering. Incident 2. EV driver pulls out.
BYD Seal.
Incident 3.
Whoa. Look at that, it goes from right in front of the truck, yeah? Look at that, that's crazy. No, he's scared of this driver. Look, and he's cutting the line, yeah? Can you see? He's crazy. He'll cut in a minute. You'll see. The truck is behind us now, yeah? He's gonna cut it. Look, he's cutting in front of the truck again.
Incident 4.
Yeah?
Truck driver now has road
Oh,
rage.
the bus is meant to go in. The bus will go in.
Incident 5. Undertake fail.
Oh, the bus, see? I knew the bus would go in, then hit. Look, oh! See?
Oh, it's so scary.
So it's really bad driving. It's like you have to anticipate. I knew the bus was going to go in, but that little white car did not. Yeah, he wanted to undertake because Hong Kong people are like that. They like to undertake. And then that truck was coming through really fast as well. Yeah. See? That's all crazy. (1843). 1843. It's the time. I'm putting it on my notes so that I know where the bad drivers are. These are all bad driving clips. I told you I've got. Every time I drive, you will see some bad driving, and that was another example of bad driving because you should be able to anticipate.
Incident 6.
So this taxi, yeah, look. Yeah, and now he's got to brake because he's going so fast. He's got to brake.
Incident 7. Poor lane discipline.
Look at him. Yeah. He's hitting the lines.
Autopilot does not work properly in the Cheongkwano Lam-Tin tunnel. Tesla says auto steer is disabled, but this is incorrect. My Tesla is actually steering but does not regulate the speed. Therefore, I need to keep my foot on the accelerator to maintain my speed. Having inadequate autopilot in Hong Kong is not good for Tesla. Incident 8. Dangerous cyclist filtering. And finally, my random observation of a headlight oddity from a Tesla Model Y. You will notice, as I did, that from my rear view mirror dashcam, one headlight from the Tesla Model Y appears to flash. Initially, I thought there was a police car behind me, but it turned out just to be this headlight oddity from a Tesla Model Y. Has anyone else observed this with headlights from Tesla?
I thought it was the police. The light on that Tesla keeps on flashing. Keeps on flashing. Tesla Model Y headlight flashing in the back. Look at it, it keeps on flashing, the one on the left side. But then there's police on the other side, so that's why I thought, oh.
And there you have it. This video shows you 8 road incidents and several interesting observations that I collected on my dashcam, all during one short drive on a Sunday evening in Hong Kong. There is so much to experience and see whilst driving in Hong Kong. Thanks for watching and stay safe.